it's super sturdy because it all started with a 20-foot long unit, and now it ended up being close to 34 feet long. So it had to be structurally strong, very strong, and that's why I use the 2x10s. It's a construction lumber, and the way they're put together and the joinery method just like reinforces the whole structure. And as you can see in the images, it's the rectangular tube that has no supports, and we can walk on top of it. The idea for the pod was to create some secondary spaces in the shop, because the shop is just a wide open space. If I want to keep some files for the shop there or some specific tools, I don't really have room for that. So we thought about doing some sort of an enclosure. We could do it with studs and drywall, and then it becomes a room or an extension of the office. But hey, why not be different and make a pod that we can enclose? So we're putting the last few panels on the pod. I took some photos and some videos. I don't know if you want to post anything from them of the pod last night. I left here at 10:30. So careful, please, because you're on camera now. Just one sec. Let me set up the ladder on my side first. Okay. So you're gonna grab it from right there. Yeah. That's it.
You put it against the wall?
Okay. And now we're gonna, but take it away from the wall at the top and...
Let me get one more step up.
Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So now...
I'm pretty much...
So hold it.
I've got it.
You got it? Let's see. Guillermo, if you let go slowly.
Let go?
Let go. Yeah, yeah. That's it. And now, no. Hold on the outside now. On the outside. That's it. So now, Guillermo, we're gonna go here and start to push. So you're gonna go down, move your ladder. You hold there. Now I'm going down. Okay. Slow, yeah. Slow. But we're gonna hit it a little bit here to bring it at the same line with this. And both sides on the exterior are gonna be routed once they're screwed in place. Oh, look at that. Because I want to see if it closes completely. So I'll get on the ladder, and if you wouldn't mind with the stick pushing it, yeah. That's it, let me see. One sec. It's super sturdy. And then dressed up with for now we did it with OSB. Maybe we'll do something else in the future iterations of the pod. Can you go a little bit more? Slowly. Right here. Now. That's it. All the way up. There we go. Getting closer. One more strip. And the inside is not opened anymore. But we should try and do one of the bottoms. Okay. So that then I can go and get the materials. Right. We did the top round, but the bottom is not capped yet on both sides. And then we're gonna do the fascia or whatever, the exterior of the frame. Okay. Who put so much peel here? Huh? More to you? Okay, if we go like this. So now we slide it in. And I'll go get the nail gun. 1 sec. Let's do this.
Up here, I don't know, you sticking out.
Because this is going to be a evolving unit for sure. The second one is going to have improvements, and then the third one, and so on and so forth, till we get, if we end up making 12. The 12th one probably is going to be like a Rolls Royce of pods.